the busy time of the holidays for a studio artist. I am busy doing commissions right now for the holidays, and it can be anything from a little boy's shoes to a beautiful dog portrait, and I can move on to so many other things. It's what keeps me very, very busy for the holidays. And I move from one to the next. And I might be working here on a little trumpet or a sweet little golden doodle's eyes. I am very, very busy. And I love it. I love my job. I love being able to do this. But there's times, guys, I have to tell you, I get so overwhelmed and I'm very, very busy doing all these beautiful portraits for people for their holiday gifts. And I even have to do, I'm even doing ones for people that I know and love. And, I love it. I love, love, love my job. And it keeps me so busy. And because I'm so busy right now, and so many of these portraits and these paintings that you see me doing are for people that they're also on my YouTube channel. So I have to be really careful about what I post. And I don't want to, spoil the surprise. So this is where I am now. I have to decide on what to do for my next video. So whether I'm painting an elephant or a dog or a rabbit or a horse or a cat, if it's a commission and it's a holiday gift, I have to be careful and I have to be very selective of what I post during this time. And that is why we're going to be doing a live stream. So let me tell you all about it. Hey everybody, I'm Suzanne, and as I've said before, 'tis the season, right? And everything's kind of nuts right now here in the studio as I'm trying to get a lot of pieces done. Holiday commissions, there's my clock telling me it's 5 o'clock. Do you hear the birds? Yeah. But anyhow, yeah. So I was going to post a video on painting an elephant, but I can't post it because it's actually a commission. It's a holiday commission, so you'll just have to be patient with me. It'll come out very soon, probably after the holidays. But I think I will make this particular video available to my Patreon people because I know that this particular person is not on that platform. So I'll make it available to my Patreon folks. But for YouTube, I can't post that one yet. It'll come later. But I do want to thank you for sticking out with me and being patient, knowing that I will get another fun video out to you guys before too long. Now, I do want to say that I will be going live. We'll do a live stream on December 17th at 2 p.m. That's a Saturday. And I want to give you guys time to help me pick the subject. Now, this is mainly for the folks on my membership platform on my YouTube channel. And so maybe you'll go ahead and leave something in the comments section, perhaps a suggestion of something you would like to see me paint live. Now, this is really, I want to make this available for my YouTube members and also my Patreon folks to jump in on this as well. And eventually this is only going to become something that I will be doing with my YouTube membership folks. So jump on and, tell me what you'd like to see me paint. I'm kind of feeling a big cat, but if you tell me you'd rather see me paint a bird, I'm good with that too. And, but yeah, tell me, give me some ideas. I need you to go ahead and leave it in the comments section. Know that that is for December 17th, Saturday at 2 p.m. live streaming demo. And so if you want to go ahead and tell me now what you'd like to see me paint, then when you jump on the membership program and jump on this live stream, then you will know that you got to pick the subject of what we're painting, and you can follow along, paint along if you'd like, ask the questions, go live. We'll be able to answer all those kind of fun things for you. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go ahead and do that. Yeah, so know that I've got a whole bunch of other things planned, just can't do anything about it yet. So just be patient. and know that as I get past the holidays, things will become a lot easier for me. So I just got to knock out these commissions, and you'll get to see all of them soon. So, all right, Patreon folks, be watching for a video coming to you very, very soon. It will be an African elephant. So go ahead and jump on that, and know that that will be available much later on my YouTube channel as well. And what else? Join me on Saturday, the 17th at 2 p.m. for the live stream, and you guys get to pick the subject. So leave it in the comment section. Let me know what you're thinking. We'll go ahead and paint something fun. I'm feeling a big cat. I'm thinking a close-up of a lion's face. I don't know why I'm feeling that. But if you tell me, hey, no, Sue, I really want to paint a bird. Or, hey, Sue, I'd really like to do I'm looking around my room at some other species of animal, a horse. Let me know. We'll do it. Okay, so that's it. So from Kingsport, Tennessee, until I see you next time,